to create an engaging work post. Creating an engaging work post is key to attracting the best service providers for your job. But first of all, what is a work post? A work post is your job advertisement. It is how you describe the service you need so that the right service providers can bid for the job. To start creating your work post, there are some simple steps to follow, and here they are. First of all, when you start creating a work post, the first screen you see is the Welcome to Work Post page. Here you will choose how to begin creating your job post based on your needs and preferences. First, create from scratch. You start with a blank form and enter all the job details yourselves. Now, when do you choose this option? You choose this option if you have a specific and unique job in mind, or if the templates don't fit your requirement. How it works: tap Create from Scratch. You'll be taken to a blank work page from where you can fill in all the details like job title, description, budget, etc. Number 2. Now you can use templates. Afriwok provides ready-made templates for common job categories to make the process faster and easier. When to choose this option? If your job is common or standard, example, cleaning, plumbing, graphic design, and so much more. Or if you want to save time by using a pre-filled template. How does this work in action? 1. Tap Use Templates. Browse through job categories, select a template that matches your job, edit the pre-filled information to suit your needs, and you're good to go. Now, after you're done either creating from scratch or using the template, the next thing is to choose a clear job title. Start with a simple and direct title that describes the job. Example, need a plumber for bathroom repairs or a graphic designer for a business logo. It is important that you use a clear title because it helps service providers quickly understand what you need. Step 3. Provide a detailed job description. Write a brief but clear description of the job. Include what you need, specific requirements, and add any other extra details. Also include your deadline for the job and the duration type for this particular job. Now here's a pro tip. The more details you provide, the better service providers can understand what you need and bid appropriately. Step 4. Select the work category. What is a work category? A work category is the specific service type your job falls under. Selecting the right category ensures that your work post reaches the right service providers who specialize in that field. To do this, browse the available categories. On the Select Work Category page, you see a drop-down for list of available categories. Examples are electrical services, beauty and wellness, caregiving services, home improvement services, and so much more. Now think about your job type. Ask yourself, what kind of professional do I need? An example is if you need someone to repair a leaking pipe, choose plumbing services. Now be specific. Avoid selecting unrelated categories. Example, don't select electrical services if you need a makeup artist. And after that, use search. Type a keyword related to your job in the search bar to quickly find the category. Step 5. Upload media. Adding images or attachments to your work post helps service providers understand the job better, visualize your needs before bidding, and ensure they are well prepared for the task. To upload media, locate the Upload Media section. On this page, look for the section labeled Cover Photo. And once you click on the empty button for uploading an image, a section for selecting image source slides up, and then you select either camera or gallery. The same goes with uploading up to 5 images. Now choose your media. Tap the button to open your device's file picker. Select the images, screenshots of files that best describe your job, and then upload. After you've uploaded, check the preview of your uploaded files to ensure they are clear and relevant. Supported media types include JPEG, PNG, and these are for images, and for documents, PDF files or Word files. Step 6. Final hurdle. The final hurdle is to choose your budget type. What does your budget type actually mean? The budget type determines how you want to pay for the job and gives the service provider an idea of your price expectations. This is the final step before posting your work, so take your time to choose the right option. Budget type options exist and they include fixed budgets. This means you're offering a set amount for the job and you choose this when you already know how much the job is worth. Example, if you want to pay 5,000 naira for a cleaning service, you set it as a fixed budget. No changes allowed. Secondly, extensible budget. This means you're willing to adjust the budget slightly if the job requires extra effort or materials. You choose this when the scope of the work might change slightly. Example, you set 10,000 naira for painting but can stretch to 12,000 if the painter needs more supplies. The third budget type is the open for negotiation. This means you're open to discussing the price with the service providers. Example, you're not sure how much it costs to repair an air conditioner, so you let the service provider suggest a fair price. Now, this step is very important because it helps service providers know what to expect and makes bidding easier and faster. It also avoids misunderstandings about payments. Now, here's a pro tip. Be very realistic. Set a fair and competitive budget. Be transparent and do some research to ensure that the cost of the service is actually what it is worth. Finally, review your work post before publishing. It is important you double check all the details to ensure accuracy. This step helps you avoid errors, confusion, or missing information that may affect service providers' ability to bid or complete your job effectively. Now, what do you do in the review stage? Check the details you entered. Ensure that each section of your post is concise and very clear. The job title, job description, budget type, and media. Now, edit if necessary. If you notice a mistake or you want to add more details, feel free to do so. After this, choose an action. After reviewing your work post, you have 3 options: to publish the work post for it to go public and service providers to start bidding, or you save as draft for now. This means that you want to finalize the details later. And finally, you can also cancel work posts. You can cancel when you no longer need the service or you've decided to postpone creating that work post. Now, what happens next? If you publish your work post, your post will appear on the platform and service providers will start bidding. You will receive notifications for bids and can choose the best service provider for the job. If you save as draft, you can return later to edit or publish your work post. Drafts are saved in your account under the My Work section. And if you cancel the work post, the post will be permanently deleted and you will need to start over if you want to create it again.